Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1. Bangalore Airport is the second busiest in India. Delhi Airport is the busiest in India and Bangalore has taken the second place in the period 2020-21. Earlier, Mumbai Airport was the second busiest, now it's become third busiest. Look at the table. Delhi in 2019-20 annual passenger traffic was 5.78 crores, Mumbai 3.98 crores, Bangalore 2.81 crores. Annual passenger traffic 2020-21 Delhi 1.59 crores, Mumbai 0.77 crores, Bangalore 0.79 crores. Two observations to make here. Because of coronavirus, the traffic of passengers has come down because a lot of the period was locked down and even now people are not unnecessarily traveling. Second, Bangalore has taken the second place, Mumbai has become third place. News number 2. RBI sets up committee to assess bank applications. The RBI has appointed a standing committee to assess and decide on banking licenses. Many institutions had earlier applied for banking licenses such as Bajaj Finserv, Aditya Birla Group, etc. We need to see which other companies apply for banking licenses and which companies are given final banking licenses by the RBI. News number 3. Today's stock market update. Nifty closed at 14,814 points, 78 points higher. Sensex closed 280 points higher at 50,051. Levels of Nifty. Previous close, yesterday's close 14,736. Opening today 14,768. Highest 14,878. Lowest 14,707 and the closing was 14,814. News number 4. Manipal Hospitals looks for buying hospitals in West Bengal and Orissa. Manipal Hospitals, which decided to acquire Columbia Asia Hospitals for Rs 2,100 crores, is waiting for final approvals from regulators by next month. It is looking to purchase other hospitals which are under financial stress so that it can expand its network of hospitals all over the country. News number 5. Maruti to hike prices from April 2021. Maruti car prices will be increased from April due to the rising input costs or the manufacturing costs. This is the second price rise in 2021. Even in January 2021, they had increased the prices. The price rise will vary based on the car model. Other car manufacturers are also likely to increase their prices to cover costs. News number 6. Scope for petrol and diesel prices to be reduced. Global crude oil prices have reduced from $71 to $64 per barrel, which is a 10% fall. With this, there is scope for reduction of domestic prices of petrol and diesel. We need to see whether government takes any steps to reduce prices or keeps it constant to collect more taxes. Usually what we have observed is when the global oil prices are higher, petrol and diesel prices are increased by the government. But when the prices fall, they don't decrease the prices, they keep the taxes higher or increase the taxes so that they can collect more revenue from the taxes. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. If this video was useful, please type useful and share this with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.